naon eta ngarebut ke naonnya?
Pan urang nu juara mimiti.
Urang heula tadi.
Urang
nu gancang mah ieu.
Urang
gigi nage salapa.
Nu mana atuh nu puguhna ieu teh?
Tadi di Jawa Sit.
Di juri kumaha
Tah
tuh?
eta Pak RT pek bae ngajurianan itu kan.
Aduh, asa kieu wae musim teh ya. Sepi pelanggan. Namun terusan kieu bisa bangkrut aja gopen urang ya. Aduh.
Cek, kenaon euy?
Halo Ben, urang teh duh padaguan pelanggan itu tisu. Jika ayeuna wayah kieu geus beurang teu narik-narik Ben.
Coba duit Lin.
Oh.
Sia mah weh kiwari. Sarua aing ngeureun duit.
Nah,
Ieu. Banyak euy.
Ben.
Cek. Palak teh.
Ayo.
Aing ngeureun duit euy. Ka dieu sia. Heeh, ka dieu.
Enan Kang.
Shit di dia, bro. Tah duit tuh, tuh karunya baboton angin candahar kebegang gitu.
Loba duit mah ieu. Nu saya mana ngiluan balap. Tah duit hungkul jang balap.
Balap naon itu?
Balap motor
Arek cek.
Oh, ayo. Siap.
Oh, tuh di mana?
itu di track off-road daftarna ka urang.
Mayar teu?
Gratis acara Pak RT.
Wah, mantap. Cek, mina cek. Naon sih nelpon budak teh. Halo. Balap. Ayo duitan tuh. Ayo atuh udah orangnya yang cicis. Ayo, di mana eta? Jalan off-road. Siap. Kayak kadinya ayeuna. Dah. Euy. Ayo bro, urang daftar cek.
Ayo, siap.
Bro.
Hari Pak RT ka mana?
Pak RT nyari buntu. Hayang modal deui.
Wah, ieu kumaha tuh acara?
Ieu urang titah ngawakilan Pak RT.
Oh, hayot lah, dar lah.
Hayu urang mulai. Urang narongton sekalian.
Hayu. Yo everybody Garasari.
Oh, siap. Tos.
Yo everybody in the sky in the house. Pertandingan Esport Speed Motor segera dimulai. Siap yo.
Ayo, go.
Wah, tingalikeun tikungan. Cot.
Aku suk-sukan kau ujang. Aing tengkas ya Ben bodoh teuing mun aing juara mau liberek ku aing.
Semangat Ece, semangat Ujang, semangat Beben.
Nah budak nanti kungku. Pak RT ieu ya salah pedofil. Rek balap rek narik odong-odong. Kieu ge bakal win Ben. Tong sok ngawara-warakeun.
Well, he stalled it, if you remember, going back to the beginning of the year. From that pole position, the MotoGP of Spain is away, and it's a great start to turn one. he got a good start.
dan di Perdosa lewat.
Top two to go through the Q2, so rocky start from the pit early for that, but the old Youngster wasn't slow. No, he wasn't slow at all. Up for him at the moment. And you know these two boys, the Morbidelli particularly, has looked good. We put a PT on the Honda, but now he's at that Yamaha. He's having a look at Quartararo.
Quartararo, his pace in FP40 well, he's the only person that
He's having a good look at Quartararo there. Quartararo not too keen to really stick it too hard in this early one of the young Frenchman, so it is going to be leading over the line at the end of the first lap of 25. Marc Marquez also rinsed in 6th, with Trucci in 7th. Crutchlow is only 8th at the moment, with old teammate Jack Miller as well. There he is, forcing his way up the inside of Nakagami. It looked like somewhere on that Ducati.
he's got the latest bike for the first time in his career, and he's turned up here and it looks like
That's all. Marquez just squeaking away at the front at the moment. Marquez then that opened all weekend. I wonder how cool this Frenchman can be at 20 years old. A lot of pressure.
Yes, there was, because he made it. He made one. There was a slight gap. It was like that was like opening a can of beef, made it bigger. That's an analogy, boys. You've never heard before in race comments.
You said it, not me. Marquez being chased hard by Morbidelli. Sure. Whoa, that's running a bit hot there. Ducati ran out wide and that's all over it. That's Rinda looking back at 42. It's Petrucci behind him on number 9 line.
Rins looks good, doesn't he? Rins, where was he on the grid? He was down in 9th on this all-about race pace. 23 laps to go again. We need to start looking 10 laps to look after the French as well. And that, for me, would be the biggest problem Marquez might have. Those two M1 Yamaha B1, he's put a hard rear tyre in that bike, and he's not taking it out a lot as soon as one does, and the tyre won't stay with him.
Ben dari mana karena di dia aing kabegal gue di handap we. Jadi mana teh kabegalan, tapi mana leuwih tereh ti urang.
Pan tadi
Geus bae lah buru milu ah, nu penting buka duit teh.
Kalau buru tang si Ece bisa juara manten.
Ieu buka jok.
Ngas buru.
Ayo balap kamarananya meniku lila-lila teuing.
Teuing, teh nyaho emang na urang CCTV.
Oh, itu ning tuh.
Mana?
Itu.
Heeh, geuning itu tuh.
Aing nu meunang goblok. Ayo lah. Aing goblok. Iya tah. Aing tanya tuh ka wasit. Bensin age pertalite. Aing tuh, Bro.
Permatak aing mah.
Naon itu ngarebutkeun naonnya?
Pan urang nu juara mimiti.
Urang heula tadi
Urang nu gancang mah ieu.
Urang
gigi nage salapa.
Mana tuh nu puguhna ieu teh?
tadi di nyawasit.
Dinya juri kumaha tuh?
Eta Pak RT bae ngajurianan itu Kang.
Adinya saha nu meunang jadina?
Teuing atuh saha nu meunang tadi pageulana saha?
Didinya juri meuniku teu puguh.
Tah Pak RT kakek datang meureunnan.
Henteu ieu mah.
Kakek eta lembur aja motor urang. Udah
eta balik.
Udah
Parkir we.
Beunang teh Pak RT teh.
Boro-boro. Iya di saha nu meunang?
Teuing saha nu meunang? Atuh ieu teh.
Geus we tiluan.
Tiluanana we atuhnya.
Kumaha tuh?
Sok,
Oh, daripada parebut-rebut enggak sih.
Tapi urang 50%.
50%.
Urang 100%.
Iya 25.
Nah, jadi beda-beda.
Kabehna 200% meureun.
Ah, geus sebagi rata tuh.
Rata we.
Heulah.
Urang 50, ya 25 rata kabeh.
Ah, asa kurang cocok.
Rata.
Kieu tah
Ieu
nu rata mah,
50.
kieu nu rata mah. Dia 10%.
Tah eta.
10%.
Nah.
20%. 20% urang 40%.
Ah,
Bener teh.
apa gedena si eta?
Jeung emang lagi dirinya menang tapi aing kumaha ieu teh juri teh. Aing merek balik lah.
Rek balik. Yung, we kitu atuh. Ieu kumaha ieu duanana kumaha?
Oh, masa 50-50 keur bae sih.
Kebalik deh, eta balik si ujang.
Tapi aing hayang duit heula.
Aing kana duit balik geroknya.
Mana duit? Ieu motor saha nu digulingkeun? Jik wanian ge.
Bawa kan itu.
Os lah.
Pan sia mah ieu nya geus urang nu 40% pan motor urang dibegal ku Pak RT.
Itu bisa gitu. Urang di dia kudu adil. Nya 10 sesana kabeh. Urang kabagikeun.
Jadi
Kudu adil kabeh.
Jadi urang kabagian 10 ya 10 gitu.
Heeh, ieu 10 2 adil pan
Ari ieu
pan urang panitia.
oh panitiana ieu.
Iya.
Pak RT nu panitiana oge.
Pan urang anak RT.
Iya.
Mana buru tah bos keluarkan bos.
Eta kameramen duit, capek mana ieu duit. Tong nincak atuh.
Sok buru keluarkan duitna.
Oh, di Pak RT duitnya oke.
Aduh, motor dibawa
Mana di-
kabur duit.
Aduh.
Bubar.
Geus bubar acara teh balik ieu mah kieu teh.
Telah.